Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. Why do we have nails? First of all, it allows us to scratch our bodies without cutting ourselves. Imagine trying to scratch a mosquito bite by just rubbing it with your fingertip. Nails also provide protection for our fingertips, which come in contact with so many things throughout the day. And finally, fingernails help add more grip to easily pick things up. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts a hand with long nails. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? The long nails emphasize the act of grabbing onto something. This character is pronounced zhǎo and means nail. When used as part of another character, it means hand and sometimes changes to look like this. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. Do you see the main character? This character is a little complicated, so let's break it down. At the top of the character, you will find the nails, or hand. Then you will see two parallel lines which represent the edges of a river. And right below that is a character for another hand. And finally, there is a diagonal stroke connecting the two hands. Altogether, this character is an image of someone trying to pull a drowning person to shore. This character is pronounced yuán, and it means pull. Eventually, it also came to mean therefore. Here's the next character. From here, let's add a character that means sun. If you could pull the sun closer to you, it would be very warm. This character is pronounced yuán and means warm. It is used in this word, yuán, which means warm or nice and warm. Here's another character. Here's the main character. And now let's add a character that means child. This character is describing a child that is crawling on the ground with their hands and knees. This character is pronounced pa and means creep. It is used in this word, shàn, which means mountain climbing. Let's see another character. Do you see the main character? The character below means tree. This character portrays a hand picking up a tree or plant and pulling out the roots. This character is pronounced zài and means pick. Here's the last character. From here, let's add a character that means hair. When hair is used in a character, it implies some kind of ornamentation or decoration. This character is describing picking plants to use for decoration. In ancient times, plants were used to create various colors. This character is also pronounced zài and means color. It is used in this word, jing zài, which means brilliant, splendid, or wonderful. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.